Hit the sack. Definition: to go to bed. I'm tired, I'm going to hit the sack.
Okay, I think I'm gonna hit the sack.
Either way, good game, everyone. But I am beat. I gotta hit the sack.
I think I'll just hit the sack.
I think I'll just hit the sack.
Anyway, I'm gonna go hit the sack.
Break a leg. Definition: it's used to wish someone luck. You have an exam tomorrow. Break a leg.
Good luck, everyone. Break a leg.
Just want to say, break a leg, everybody.
All right. Break a leg, kid.
We'll break a leg tonight.
Break a leg.
Yeah, break a leg. So I'm here.
Okay, break a leg.
You can do it. Break a leg.
Break a leg, Chuck. Call it a day. Definition: to decide that you have finished doing something. We're all tired, let's call it a day.
So maybe we should just call it a day.
All right, class. I think we can call it a day.
Let's call it a day and go home.
Let's call it a day. I am tired.
I'm gonna call it a day.
Well, I say we call it a day.
Maybe you should just call it a day.
Under the weather. Definition: if someone is under the weather, they feel ill. I've been feeling under the weather this week.
I am just feeling under the weather.
Mr. White is feeling a little under the weather this morning.
Oh, perhaps I am a little under the weather.
I know a lot of us have been feeling under the weather lately.
Listen, boy, your sister is a little under the weather.
Lemon, you're looking a little under the weather.
Spill the beans. Definition: to tell people secret information. Don't spill the beans. It's supposed to be a secret.
Well, time to spill the beans.
I'm not gonna spill any more beans.
All right.
Somebody in here got beans. Spill them.
Spill the beans, old man.
Okay, enough of these riddles. Would you guys spill the beans?
Spill the beans!
See eye to eye. Definition: if two people see eye to eye, they agree with each other. I don't see eye to eye with my mother on many things.
We didn't always see eye to eye.
Now I know we don't see eye to eye.
Russell and I did not see eye to eye on many, many projects.
They can see eye to eye.
I'm glad Ukraine and the United States were able to see eye to eye.
Sir, Agent Merritt and I didn't always see eye to eye.
A piece of cake. Definition: something that is very easy to do. My last exam was a piece of cake.
Yeah, it's a piece of cake.
Legs. Come on, do it. It'll be a piece of cake.
But believe me, with your dance background, it'll be a piece of cake.
This will be a piece of cake, you'll see. Come on, it's a piece of cake!
How's school?
Oh, piece of cake so far.
Piece of cake.
The last straw. Definition: the latest problem in a series of problems that makes a situation impossible to accept. Making me work late on Friday was the last straw.
It's just a haircut and some clothes.
No, it's the last straw. I can't take any more.
Are you kidding me? That's it, Rick. That's the last straw.
This is the last straw.
That is just the last straw.
That's it. That's the last straw.
Cost an arm and a leg. Definition: to be very expensive. The show is excellent, but the tickets cost an arm and a leg.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna cost an arm and a leg. You take my advice?
I did. Thank you again.
Cost me an arm and a leg.
You cost an arm and a leg, so let's get to work.
When pigs fly. Definition: something that will never happen. I will go on a date with you when pigs fly.
Someday you'll thank me.
Yeah, when pigs fly.
Yeah, right, when pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
You know, Smithers, I think I'll donate $1 million to the local orphanage. When pigs fly.